are saying, I think you changed it to only to that. You give the screen itself. Let them see from there. Which is what they are seeing. Oh. Okay. Guys, is it clear now? Not yet. What can be done? Nothing else can be done. Anyway, disconnect and connect now. No, not that one. Just our internet disconnect and connect. Now they are fine. Nothing. I think now it's day. Pesada. No phone. Guys, now is it clear? Okay. Still not. I'll go to the next slide, guys. After this, at least. So answer is what you told only. Okay. So x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Okay. So now, guys, now is it clear at least, online students? Hey, somebody say yes, then only I can move very.
No, sir. Like for few seconds it is perfect, and for the few it is
Okay.
Now I think it's fine. Now it's fine.
Fine, right? Okay. So now there are second conclusion, that is what I told about y axis. That is major axis is going to be y. That time what I am going to do? Okay. So the same thing. What everything will come in x. So y. இப்போ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு a, 0 ன்னு இருந்தது. Now it is going to be 0, a and it's going to be 0, minus a. Have you remember the previous diagram? It is going to be a, 0 and minus a, 0. Now here it is going to be 0, a and 0, minus a. Is that clear, guys? Nothing else will change, guys. Only this thing will change. So now the equation will be x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Okay. The same thing. Now, this is not the chocolate question, but I will consider for chocolate. Please do it. Internet is issue. Better to get fiber. This when it is cloudy, this we have air fiber. X square by
9.
Huh? So anybody got the answer, guys? இது என்னன்னா நிறைய பேர் இத மேஜர் ஆக்சிஸ் வந்து y ஆக்சிஸ் நினைச்சிருப்பேன். ஏனா போன சம்ல நான் y ஆக்சிஸ் நடத்துனதனால. Yes, x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Very good. Okay. நீங்க பண்ற லுல்லு
சார் இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப தப்பு சார். நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஆஃப்லைன் கிளாஸ் வரேன். சத்தியமா சார்.
யார் இப்ப ஏசி ஆஃப் பண்ணது?
சார் அவ அழுகுறான் கை சார் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க சார்.
Okay. So properties of an ellipse. Shall we go, guys? The online guys, can you able to listen? டேய் நிறைய பேர் கேமரா ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டீங்கடா இவான். யா so some properties of an
சார் நீங்க தெரிய மாட்டீங்களா?
டேய் நான் வேணுக்குனே நான் மறைச்சிருக்கேன்டா, ப்ளீஸ் get it out. See, there is a technology here where I can hide. Okay, now I'll come. அப்படி இல்லடா, அப்படி இல்ல வெயிட் பேசாம இருடா. Why you are not owning me? Okay, fine, I am here only. Okay, that is, if you want to show only the screen, we have technology that the screen only will be shown to you. Okay, I am here only, but okay. So okay, see guys, here also we have symmetric in nature. So when I have a major axis as an x-axis, it will be symmetric to what? Here symmetric to both the axes, right? See, if இந்த இது ஓகே தான், இல்ல இப்படி பார்த்தாலும் ஓகே தான். So x axis also will be symmetric, y axis also will be symmetric. Okay, and similarly here. So here we have latus rectum. So latus rectum is what? It's a chord which is having 90 degree and following in the focus. Amadana. So we have chocolate for this. Okay, so see chocolate. Okay, so what is the length of latus rectum? So what is length of? No, it is not 2b here. No. Come on, what is that? So what is distance between L4 and L3? That's what we want, right? So anyway, they have derived here. So the answer is going to be what? 2b square by a. Who told? I'll give chocolate. Okay, so one got chocolate. ஏன்னா ஒண்ணுமே வர மாட்டேங்குது. Yes, the equation is given. What I want is foci. So what is first thing when the equation is given, guys? First thing what you guys has to notice, what you has to note, whether what is the major axis? What is the major axis here? Which is bigger, x or y? So major axis is going to be x. Since major axis is going to be x, so this is going to be my a value. What is a square equal to? 36. What is a? 666. Okay, and what is y square equal to? 16. What is y equal to? 4. Sorry, it's not y square, it's b square. Okay, b square. So I got a as 4 and b as a as 6 and b as 4. So what is c, guys? C square equal to, sorry, a square equal to b square plus c square, right? Using this, please find the value of c. What is the value of c? Plus or minus root 20. Now we need not worry about that. Okay. நம்ம கேட்டது c தான். Why you are saying it in axis? Okay, so first thing is focus is going to be what? Focus is plus or minus? Yes, very good. 6,0. Focus what? Plus or minus 6,0. And next what they asked is vertex. So what is vertex? Yeah, this is vertex. What is focus? Root 20 plus or minus root 20 comma 0. Plus or minus root 20 comma 0. This is focus. So focus we got, vertex we got, what of the major axis? For the mind and the, okay, what is major axis, guys? Length of my major axis. What is that? 2a. So what is a here? 6. Okay, so 12. What is length of minor axis? 2b, which is 8. What is eccentricity? E is equal to c by a. Correct? What is c here? Root 20. What is a here? 6. So this is root 20 by 6 is going to be my E value. So what is the length of lattice rectum? 2b square by, hey, formula na, 2b square by A. So I have value of B here, A here, just substitute and get the value of this.
32 by 6 sir.
Yes.
Sir 16 by 3.
ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான்டா. Okay, so yes, we are going to do the diagram. So 16 by 3 is my lattice rectum, major axis, minor axis, everything they found at last. So ஒரு diagram போட்டு இதில் எல்லாம் இப்படி எழுதுனா it will be more better. Okay, so try to do that. So next is, if the equation is like this, very simple idea guys, what is equal to, என்ன இருக்கு 144 divide this full equation by 144. So 36x square by 144 plus 4y square by 144 equal to 144 by 144. So this becomes 1 and 4 ones are whatever, that's just you do it and get the answer of A and B. இது கண்டுபிடிச்ச உடனே தான் I come to know that which is major axis and which is minor axis, right? After this only I will come to know which is major axis and which is minor axis. Okay, so anyway, so I am dividing, so I got this line. So it is the major axis going to be y axis and everything you want to mention in y. Okay, so I got A value as 2 and B, A value was 6 and B value as 2. So axis is going to be 0 comma A, that is 0 comma 6, and vertex is going to be 0 comma 6 and 0 comma minus 6. Okay, so everything else is the same formula. If you understand this, it is very easy thing. Okay, ready for challenge? Yeah, we have chocolate. Come on guys. This is a chocolate sum. Find the equation of ellipse with the center 0 comma 0, major axis on the y axis and passing through the point. So வழக்கமா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருவாங்க, A and B கொடுத்துருவாங்க, கரெக்டா? In a way of focus or something, they have not given anything. You have to find your A and B. Sriram Nimalan, are you there?
Sure.
Come on, do the sum. டேய் யாருக்காவது இது எப்படி போடணும்னு ஐடியா வேணுமா? So this is going to be, because they have told like major axis on y axis, my diagram is going to be almost like this. Okay, my focus is going to be here and my center is going to be, a point on the circle is 3 comma 2 and another point on the circle is 1 comma point on the ellipsis. So I am going to write a equation of an ellipse and I am going to substitute 1 comma 6 and 3 comma 2 in the equation. புரியுதா? இந்த equationல இதை substitute பண்ண போறேன். இதை substitute பண்ணா I am going to get what? One equation with A and B, and similarly I am going to get two equations with A and B. So I am going to find the value of A and B. Okay, so A equal to 40, A square equal to 40 and B square equal to 10. So I got A square and B square. I need not to find A and B here directly because I want the equation. Just to go and substitute 40 and 10 here, you will get an answer. Yes, x square by 10 plus y square by 40 will be equal to 1. Okay, see, whenever the point of any object is given, எனக்கு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா, in a general equation you substitute that point and get the equation. Okay, unknowns கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மாதிரி தான். Are you getting this? So this is the summary. Now we are going to hyperbola. See, in hyperbola we have two things called conjugate axis and transverse axis. ஓகே இங்க எனக்கு என்ன இருக்க போறது இல்ல மேஜர் ஆக்சிஸ் மைனர் ஆக்சிஸ்லாம் இருக்க போறது இல்ல ஆர் அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் இருக்க போகுது இங்க ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் இருக்க போகுது அண்ட் பிஃபோர் தட் வாட் இஸ் திஸ் எ செட் ஆஃப் பாயிண்ட் அங்க எனக்கு என்னது சம்மா இங்க டிஃபரன்ஸ் பேரபோ சாரி என்னுடைய எலிப்ஸ்ல என்னப்பா வேணும் சம்ல here it's going to be difference are you getting the difference between both okay the set of point the difference of the distance from two fixed point is constant their addition is constant sum is constant here the difference is constant so I have two different focus and I have points so here what is going to happen is f7 minus pf7 p7f dash minus p7f will be constant the difference between these two will be constant the difference between these two will be constant at last the difference are constant I am going to join it to make a hyperbola okay guys and this line I am going to call it as what transverse axis this line I am going to call it as what transverse axis why it is transverse axis எந்த லைன்ல லூப் இருக்கோ I am going to call it as transverse axis எந்த ஆக்சிஸ்ல எனக்கு லூப் இல்லையோ that will be what conjugate axis okay and here also there are two cases என்னன்னா எனக்கு y axisல transverse axis இருக்கலாம் இல்ல x axis transverse axis இருக்கலாம் so O is my center and that why I am going to call it as what conjugate axis okay anyway I am going to derive the equation of hyperbola ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது in the same parabola sorry in the ellipse I am going to get minus why minus guys இங்க என்னோட definition என்ன the difference கரெக்ட்டா set of all points which has the equal set of all points which has equal sum I am going to call it as ellipse அப்போ நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாரு ellipse நடுவுல உடைச்சி இப்படி ரெண்டு சைடு பிரிச்சிட்டா that is going to be ellipse right sorry hyperbola கரெக்ட்டா இப்படி ellipse இருந்திருக்கும் கரெக்ட்டா இப்படி ellipse இருந்திருக்கும் இங்க கட் பண்ணி இந்த ரெண்டு சைடு இப்படி திருப்பிட்டா என்ன ஆயிடும் because there I summed so it is converged I am going to take the difference so it is going to be distracted புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு ஏன் இப்படி அது ரெண்டு एक्चुअली ஒன்னு தான் okay so same thing I am going to derive the formula that is equation of hyperbola same a b c we have here same condition and I am going to take like here also I am going to have eccentricity and if it is here note this equation guys here it's a e and a b and a was e is related by this equation okay same thing from this I am going to get this answer b square equal to a square e square minus 1 okay very important thing which we are going to use it in many sums if eccentricity is given a b is given anything மூணு unknown ல ஏதாவது ஒரு unknown கேட்டாங்கனா இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் இந்த ரிலேஷன் வச்சு தான் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணனும் okay so at last we are going to have the equation of standard form of the hyperbola is x square by a square this minus okay அங்க பிளஸ் இருந்திருந்தா அது என்னவா இருக்கும் எலிப்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கும் மைனஸ் இருக்குறதுனால இது என்னவா ஆயிடுச்சு ஹைப்பர்போலா ஆயிடுச்சு okay I think here some same thing I am going to have okay no chocolate sum anyway guys vertex is plus or minus 2 and focus is plus or minus 3 so எனக்கு plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 னு x ல இருக்கு கரெக்ட்டா அப்ப இது மேஜர் ஆக்சிஸ் என்னதுப்பா that is transverse axis என்னதுப்பா x axis கரெக்ட்டா இதோட transverse axis என்னது x axis since it is going to be x axis okay so I am finding b value a value using the relation what I know and I am going to substitute in the equation are you getting this guys very simple sum which is எனக்கு vertex வச்சு நான் என்ன எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன் so using the vertex I have taken a and using my focus I have taken c okay from a and c I also find the b so I know a I know b just substitute in the equation I am going to get the answer okay so conclusion 2 is just the same equation but it is in different see the focus is going to be a e don't forget up to now the focus is a comma g plus or minus a comma 0 or plus or minus b comma 0 in ellipse it is going to be c comma 0 but here it is a e it is what AE. What is AE? C. AE is nothing but what? C. Because what is the relation of E? E is what? C by A. If AE is what? EA is what? C only, no? Don't get confused. Okay, C தான். ஆனா வேற மாதிரி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. C ஓட ஃபார்முலா என்ன? AE. So they have given that. Okay, so similarly we are going to do one question on this also. So final question. I feel this is the final question. Guess. See, find the equation of hyperbola with the focus 0, plus or minus 13. Since the plus or minus 13 is in what? Y, right? It is x, y na? It is there in y. So this plus or minus 13 is in y. What is my transverse axis? Y. So what is going to be my conjugate axis? X. So the second one very simple. Conjugate axis is what? X. Okay. First, okay, conjugate axis length is 24. They have given, this question is completing here, sorry. The length of the conjugate axis is what? 24. So if the length of the conjugate axis is 24, then it means that they have given the value of B. Then they have given the value of 2B actually. Okay, length of the conjugate axis is going to be 2B. So 2B is equal to 24. So B is equal to what? 12. So B is equal to 12, and using my focus, my C value is 13. Using B equal to 12 and C equal to 13, able to find the A value, guys. What is the relation? It's the same relation only. B is equal to square root of C square minus A square. So same thing, A square equal to B square plus C square. The same thing. Using this we can able to find the value of A. Now I know A, I know B. So just substitute in the equation where definitely this C, guys, don't forget, since the transverse axis is Y axis, the first thing what I want to write is Y. Don't forget. Okay, idla தப்பு பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay, we can see in summary also. Okay, எனக்கு transverse axis x இருந்தா it's going to be x square by what? A square minus y square by b square equal to 1. இதே எனக்கு இப்படி இருந்திருந்ததா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Here A and here B. No chocolate. Okay. See, guys, inga enna kuduthirukanga paru, they have given the vertex and they have given the E. I will give time, guys. So vertex is in what? X. So my transverse axis is going to be, my transverse axis is going to be x. Okay, and my transverse axis is x. What is this? What is A, B or C?
C.
Yes, C. So we got C as what? Plus or minus 7. And we know E is equal to what? 4 by 3. See, what is E, guys? C by A, right? C by A. So C by A equal to E. So using this 4 by 3, C 7 by A. So what is going to be A? 21 by 4. A is going to be what? 21 by 4. Why am I plus or minus? Engada square root edutho? Okay, yeah, we have plus 2C irukku, but actually you take now this one. Now we want the absolute value only. So 21 by 4. So we got A as 21 by 4 and C I know as plus, I will take 7 itself as of now. I want the value of B. So B is equal to, I can able to find the relation between ABC, right? So using the relation between ABC, please find the value of B and just substitute, guys. Substitute in what? X square by A square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, I know the value of A, just to find the value of B and substitute in this equation, you will get the equation of hyperbola. Come on, fast. Last 2 minutes, I'll leave, guys. Okay, so we got this as an answer. Okay, you got 28 by 28 on. No, you somebody told.
A தான் plus or minus.
ஆமா.
C number.
Oh. Okay. the square லடா a வே இது c கிடையாது a இது vertex, it's not focus, it's vertex is plus or minus a comma 0, no. This is nothing. So here what is length of the latest rectum? I will go to the final, okay, don't worry. 2b square by a. So 2b square by a. What is this? This is the length of latest rectum of ellipse also. So once again we are proving ellipse and hyperbola are not much different. Okay, only there is some and here difference. Okay, we can skip this, nothing wrong. So what is a value? 15, b value is 4. Just substitute here 2b square by a. I will get what? The length of the latest rectum. Okay, so you can end here. Okay, so once again, anyway, happy teachers, sir. Happy Children's Day. Okay, enjoy your Children's Day. Okay, bye bye. Guys, I'll send some worksheet. Please finish it. Okay. ரொம்ப இல்ல 5 sum. 5 sum அனுப்புறேன். போட்டு போய்ங்க. டேய் இங்க வந்து பேசுனீங்கன்னா அவ்வளவுதான்.